1985 Oldsmobile Toronado. Original mile car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 70,000 miles on this one. Original color, light blue metallic, blue cloth interior. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. You can see we do have some light rock chipping on that flat nose, I guess, if you will. 5-liter underneath the hood, so that should make it a 307 Oldsmobile engine paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint does show its age some. You can see where you got a little bit of kind of flaking. So paint does show its age a little. Mentioned earlier, blue cloth interior. Split bench seat. Interior looking very original. That's how it would have been produced back in 1985. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Keys in the trunk from taking the pictures. Might as well take a peek in there. Trunk in nice shape. Clean, not all stained. RPO codes will be in with the still pictures if you want to see exactly how this car was equipped when it was produced. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And let's take a look up and down this driver's side quick. You can see around the wheel wells, kind of where you start to get that corrosion, bubble starting. It's awful clean in this car. Take a little peek on the other side. Filler panels too. Lots of times those filler panels are missing. These appear that they have been replaced. Just a little bit of corrosion there, but boy, nothing much. How about these wheel wells? Looks good. And front filler panels. All right, let's slip around to the driver's side here. Let's fire this up. Let you hear it run. I was going to point out there are a few little dings. That one, a couple around the car. Again, nothing that stands out terrible, but there's a few again. Paint just shows its age a little bit, a few imperfections. All right. Of course, nicely equipped. Oldsmobile in 85 would have some equipment to it. Power locks, power windows, power seat, driver's side, tilt and cruise, AM FM cassette. There's your exact miles, about 70,908. Believed to be original. All right. Close the door so that thing will go off after the fasten seatbelt light. So you can see no warning indicators, anything like that. Rear defrost, climate control, radio works as well as the power antenna. Top of the dash, good shape too. Not cracked, discolored. Man, smooth running 5-liter. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back, I guess what you'd expect out of an 85 Toronado. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Pause this 1 second. I want to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. There's the hood liner. Engine bay. Now, one thing I did too when I popped that hood before I opened it up, I clicked on the AC, so the compressor is engaged and it's blowing cold. You can also see it has been converted to the 134, so AC is working on this car. 5-liter, to a 307 Oldsmobile. Power steering, power brakes. Just kind of what you expect it to look like. There, the compressor kicked off.
Here we have a 1985 Oldsmobile Toronado. The air conditioning on this car is blowing cold. Left turn signal indicator does work. We have indicators on the front fenders as well, and they do both work. The blower motor does work. Soft riding car, quiet car. Radio works. The wipers do work. Get her up to speed. Fuel gauge is at a quarter. Temperature is around 180. That's 60 miles an hour. It's very windy here today. There's slight wind noise. I think it's just the actual wind, not so much the car. Oil pressure is 40 plus. Bolts are over 13. Brakes work well, and it brakes straight. Car seems to be in good condition.
And back on. 1985 Oldsmobile Toronado. Clean Carfax, original mile car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.